I should say ops, for a 3 train. They're stacking 3 trains. I mean, come on, that's rough.
It's not Diamondback.
It's rough.
Give him a break. It's the end of the day.
Dude, you're always about defending them. Why don't you just say, yeah, it's bad that they're stacking 3
If it's really
trains.
bad, I would
real
call them out.
and actually call them out and say, you're stacking 3 trains. Who stacks 3 trains? Nobody.
Let's enjoy the ride.
Nobody. You know what? Ready? You ready for it?
La 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 la. Can't we just have fun?
What happened?
Downtown Toronto.
It's like way out there.
Cookies? You're gonna get cookies?
No, downtown Toronto.
Downtown cookies?
It's like
Cookies and
through the smog.
and
Ching!
Time to go to sleep.
Polo sucks!
Alright, one more airtime.
Lover!
Great ride.